Story is developing from Bengaluru, and the cafe pervert has now been caught, is what we know. The hidden camera inside a washroom in Bengaluru, in a cafe. The camera inside Third Wave Coffee outlet. It has sacked the employee in question here. The picture of the employee on your screens right now, who had in fact placed a camera in a washroom and was recording women. First images of the pervert, who's now been sacked by the cafe in question. The popular Third Wave Coffee outlet in Bengaluru, which is now in news for all the wrong reasons. Anaga, here is disciplinary action against the pervert here, but what about punitive action?
Well, Sneha, he was an employee in Third Wave Cafe. He had been working in that cafe for the last 6 months. He's 23 years old. He hails from Shivamogga. His name is Manoj. He was an employee in Third Wave Cafe when he had wrapped his mobile phone inside a dustbin and he had kept it right opposite to the loo area, opposite the commode is what we are hearing. That was where he had kept his phone, and he had even put his phone in flight mode so that so that there were no calls that came in to disturb the recording process. But the recording was on, and this woman who attended, who was in the washroom to attend the Nature's Call, just discovered this mobile phone. Post that, the issue has come to light, has been handed over to police. They've even nabbed him, is what we are learning. But truly shocking what's really coming in from a really popular food joint, Third Wave Cafe. They have also responded to this issue, saying that this is an unfortunate incident which should not have happened, and they've assured that all the necessary action will be taken against that employee. First of all, he was fired from his job, and secondly, every single legal course of action will be initiated against this pervert employee, is what Third Wave Cafe is also assuring.
All right, I'm going to thank you for the moment for getting in those details. Anaga Buddha, report from Bengaluru.